All right, friends, welcome back to Park Junkie. Here we are in Dry Tortugas National Park today at Fort Jefferson on Garden Key. So this is going to be a stellar time. We've got 3 days here, 2 nights out here, and the weather looks good for the next 3 days. It is sunny and hot. Early January finds us at 80 degrees. It's going to be a great time for Park Junkie. I hope you're stoked to be out here at Dry Tortugas National Park. Let's see what this park has to offer. All right behind me back there you see Fort Jefferson. We are arriving at Dry Tortugas National Park, Garden Key. Several keys out here make up the park, but that right there, Fort Jefferson, the largest masonry structure in the Western Hemisphere, over 16 million bricks making up the fort. All right, friends, out here looking back behind me here, you can see Loggerhead Key and the Loggerhead Lighthouse right about there. All right, Park Junkie this evening, walking on this old brick here at Fort Jefferson. That's it right there. All right, day 2 here on Dry Tortugas, Garden Key. A little morning walk on the beach. All right, a little New Year's Day kayaking trip out here at Dry Tortugas National Park. This Loggerhead Lighthouse right here, about 3 miles from Fort Jefferson and Garden Key, which you can see behind me back there. All right, friends, well, that's the Loggerhead Lighthouse right here.
So anyhow, it's 155 feet high, 212 steps. It hasn't worked since the last 5 years.
Oh, okay.
There's no light up there. The park is in the process of getting one put in for ornamental,
Oh, they're gonna put the light back in.
Yeah, but it's going to be more just for, it's not going to be a standard light. It's going to be much less bright, and just to make the tourists see it at nighttime who are camping and stuff.
Gotcha. Okay. Thanks, Ray, for a great tour. We're headed right over there to Fort Jefferson. Little tour over there if you get a chance and you're out here at Dry Tortugas at Fort Jefferson, and you can make this kayak run the 3 miles over to Loggerhead Key. I recommend it. We're heading back in now for dinner, back to Fort Jefferson. I'm gonna get back to the camp there, get myself something to eat, and then I'm gonna climb up into the fort for sunset and try to get some nice photos and videos right there from Fort Jefferson. Alright, so this is camp here at Dry Tortugas. Yeah, I've had this little spot right back here tucked in the trees, been pretty nice. You can see there are other options. Everybody gets a little table. Some of these stay vacant somehow. There's a little grill back there. You get a table and a grill. Each site comes with a pretty sweet view. And then out here, there's the entrance to the fort right over there. So you're right off the side of the fort. It's important to have these, put all your food in these containers in a cooler or a big plastic bin, including water, as there are many rats here at the campsites, and rats have found their way. Rats have found the ability to chew through water containers. So they've been just draining the water, as this is the Dry Tortugas. There's not a lot of water here. This place only gets about 30 inches of rain a year, which is surprising for the tropics. But you want to put all your food in these containers. You can pack it in these containers from the port in Key West, just throw it on the boat. That works fine. They'll just stack on the back. You pull them off, pull your containers off the boat, put them in little, they provide little carts for you to just cart everything over here to the campsite. It's not that far, it's right there. Just right there is where the boat docks, little dock house there. But anyway, camping here is pretty smooth. 15 bucks a night. Entrance fee is, I don't know what the entrance fee is. I have the National Parks pass, so you just show that at the gate, at the window when you get your boarding pass to get on the Yankee Freedom III. And you're in. Pretty simple. All right, we're out here this morning. Going to try a little snorkeling. We got my fins right there. Got the mask and the snorkel. Let's go see some underwater scenes here. I guess it's pretty cool. I guess you can snorkel right along the wall, along the moat, the fort right here, all the way around the north side of the fort. We're gonna go see what the underwater life looks like here in Dry Tortugas. Let's go. What's up, y'all? Well, that's about going to wrap it up from out here at Dry Tortugas National Park, out here in the southern reaches of the state of Florida. You can find information about this and all other national parks on parkjunkie.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, our Instagram feed, and Facebook page. All right, for Todd C out here in Dry Tortugas, I'm going to check out. Got a little bit more time to enjoy this place, and I'm going to jump on the boat, head back to the mainland, and head northbound. That's about it for down here in the tropics. We'll see you next time. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, Park Junkie is your fix for national park info. Cheers, y'all.